Isang masayang asawa na naman.
Mama is happy too.
Papa is happy.
Very happy. Not only happy.
Mama, look.
Very happy.
Mama, look.
Mahal ko, masaya ka?
Mama,
Yes,
look,
sino ba
papi.
namang hindi masaya? 90s song.
Mama, look.
90s.
Papi. Mama, look,
Batang
papi.
90s.
Mama, look, papi. Mama, look.
It's popping? Okay, you can play.
I want to be papi.
Unboxing and assembling his
Daddy,
chair.
Daddy's so happy.
Masaya ka naman sa pinili kong kulay.
Ako ang gusto kong kulay.
So, magkapareho kami ng gustong kulay. Black and red.
Ang galing sa tapos dito. Black and red.
Yes. We love black and red a lot. Thank you, Sky Touch. Yun yung brand ng ano? Upuan?
Go. Mama, the height of the box.
Okay. Go inside. Push your pajama. Woo! If you can climb, go.
Here. I want to go. What's up, Mama? The car with the go. Daddy,
Just wait.
just wait.
Ano ko alin? Ay, sinalin.
Ha?
Gusto mo pala kalin.
Hindi kasama na yan lahat. Alangan namang wala. Bibili pa, ganun.
I need a chair.
Kalin na pala.
Leather ba? Oo, leather pala to. Very good.
Leather jacket.
Wait. Oh. Mama, ouch. Mama, the dice are out. She bite me.
The dinosaur bite you?
Bakit tatlo lang?
Alright.
Isa na namang ama ang natuwa ngayong araw na to.
Ayan, ang dami niyang i-assemble ngayon. Ano ito, love? Ang kanyang 27 inches monitor. Oh,
Pakisama sa
wow.
trabaho, may sakit ako.
Oh, excited. Excited ka mo mamaya. Tapos, yung kanyang table. Dami mong yan, ah. Dami mong ayusin lang. Excited ka umuwi mamaya after duty?
Parang ngayon ko na nga pumasok.
Ha! Kailangan kong pumasok.
Kulang.
Tandaan mo, di mo pa ito bayad sa akin. Love, inutang mo pa to. Dito libre. May bayad to. Ah, don't disturb, Daddy. Ano yung mahal ko?
Don't touch, don't touch.
Love, ano yun?
Yun yata yung mga pad.
Yung
Mga pad.
mga pads?
Malabi, kinuha ba sila dito?
Wala.
Kulang.
Wala. Yan lang.
Sabi lang. Kulang.
Mama. Dad.
You touch something here to side.
Mama, upside down.
Be good. So behave. You're watching Papa?
Mama.
Yes.
What's this coming?
You play. Bunso left already. Bunso here is watching Papa. Just behave. Good boy.
Mom, here. Ano? Mama.
Yes.
Ah.
Wow.
Wow.
Pas na.
So, mag-1. Ha? May oras ka pa? Ano oras ka pasok mo?
Stress pa.
Parang 2 araw ka kang mag-assemble ah. Open mo na ba yung ano, PC? I-open mo na yung PC?
Dito. Nandun na kay Pogo na eh.
Ha?
Na kay Pogo.
Ang alin? Ano, deliver na?
Oo, na kay Pogo.
Kailan pa?
Ay, hindi mo ba nakita? Sinasalita ko.
Ano, di pa ako naka-FB.
Ito ba? Ito po ba?
My house! My house is broken!
Ano ako? Tulong sila magbigay. Sige,
This house!
What's that, ate?
My house!
Ethan John!
Picture. 19. Wait.
Si hi!
Love, open mo na yun.
Hi.
Ano ko na? Tanggalin ko na yung mga anong plastic.
Yung mga plastic,
Tapon ko na.
natapon mo na yan.
Mama.
Tapos open mo na yun.
Next.
This is ng ate. LLS is na yung ate. Bakit mali?
Baliktad, mahal ko. Paano mo nabasahin? Buwan mo daw? Ah, hi! Tapos ilang kilo ka? Ilang araw lang yan sa'yo?
Daddy, what's that? Daddy.
Yan! Tak. Nis! Dali, na may isa. Tawag na si Kulot.
Ano yung mga plastic?
Love yung TV. Yung marito.
What's the wire here? You think the dinosaur?
Ito na yung bowl ko.
Ah! Wow! What's that? Rice? No, rice.
Oras.
Rice and everything.
Para aesthetic. Why?
Tik.
Aesthetic ba?
Tik.
Aesthetic. Ilagay mo lahat ng styrofoam pa isang tapong kumal ko.
What is that?
Ito, sukat na sukat.
Paano pag may ilagay mo pa yung iba? Wala na ba? Ano ba yung pinili natin?
That?
May mga siding sa gilid? Paano pag may gilid pa?
Ay, baka mapupul na buhong.
Nice color. White and gray. Black and red.
Mama, what's Daddy is doing?
This will be your study room and gaming room. Mama's computer room. Family's fun room. Okay?
Yeah, Mama.
You'll study here, okay?
Mama, what's sitting down?
Wow! Look, Daddy.
Daddy, look.
Hey, oh no. No. This is dangerous. No. It's not for kids. Give me.
You touch me. Naughty.
Buti na lang ganyan ang kaliit ka. Siya pala.
Daddy.
Sana huwag bumigay.
Bakit bibigay?
Ano ba?
Mukha bang ano?
Malambot eh.
Mukha malambot?
Doon patungan ng mabibigat pa sa iba.
Wala. PC lang naman eh. Ano, computer lang.
Sa baba na lang.
CPU lang naman sa baba. Tapos sa taas yung ano, monitor.
Oh, monitor lang ka.
Monitor lang. Wala na may ibang lalagay. Yung may lalagay mo.
Baby, baby.
Tibay na yan pag nalagay na lahat ng mga ano.
Hindi yung pawit pa.
Ano pala ito?
Ito lang.
Matibay naman sa mahal ko. Ah, mabigat yung ano, mabigat ang table. Hindi, okay lang naman.
Wait lang.
No fight, Ethan dyan. No fighting, please.
You make this one.
You didn't. I saw.
He's so.
I see it. Don't make it suds.
With exage mo.
Ira.
With exage.
Girls. He didn't punch you.
He made a shark teeth.
He make a sharp teeth.
No, he made this one.
He wanted to scratch your legs.
Yeah.
Not like that, Ethan Jan, okay?
No.
He's your big sister.
Ouch.
You have to be good boy. You're a good boy, right? You're a good boy and then Ate is sometimes maarty. What is that?
Look over here. Mama. Mama. There's me letters. What the hell? Oh no. What is that? Mama, the laser's dirty.
Nagbata mo ka.
No.
Invite naman sila team. Kasi nabisip. Alright. And now, Oras na?
Mag 1:30 lang.
1:30 pa lang. 1:30?
What? What's in here? Let us check what's in here. Para ilagay na daw niya sa ano. What is this? Oh, it's the keyboard, the mouse, and the headset.
Look.
Oh, that's for Mama's baonan. It's Mama's lunchbox.
And then this one.
My Pinky Bento lunchbox.
Look, Ma. There's one more.
This for you. This is the bag for your passport.
Passport.
Yes.
Give me. Give me, Mama.
I bought for you. You can open it when you're 18 years old. Okay?
Okay, I want to open.
But it's not a toy. That's for you and little brother. No, not for the school. For your memories.
Keyboard. Keyboard. For Papa, the keyboard.
Yeah, the mouse pad I like. Black and red.
Yeah, that's
Papa will arrange it later. Perfect. Funtech 5-in-1 power bundle. Gaming headset.
I want to show to Daddy.
You wanna show it to Papa?
Yeah.
Okay, wait.
How does Daddy?
Wait, let me see. So, yun yung mga specs niya.
Isa.
I'm to show to Daddy. Why Daddy will be happy if you'll show it to him?
Kulang isa.
Kulang isang ano? Isang ano?
Daddy?
Yung ganito.
Please, for my school again. Please, is it?
Fix ko to sa
So,
ano.
may school daw.
Dangerous.
Hindi mo na kailangan i-fix lang.
Para hindi galaw-galaw.
Where's that? Where's that dragon? Where's change it? Ano?
Para
Here.
hindi gumagalaw.
Okay, this is the shark.
Pakala yung monitor.
Sa baba mo muna ilagay monitor lang. Baka hindi pantay yung ano. Aray.
Excuse. Excuse. Excuse, ate. Excuse.
Open it for me, and I'm so hungry again.
Yon! Wala na nang i-istorbo kay TJ nito.
Sure ka?
Walang i-istorbo, tol.
Wala mo.
Daddy, Daddy, Mama, we're happy. I'm sorry, there's nothing to. Oh no! And two. Let's check it. Teacher. What's the look?
Lock ba to?
Hindi ko alam na.
One for me, one for you. One for me.
Yes, mama.
Yeah, hi.
Ayan.
Happy?
Thank you so much, mama.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Daddy.
Happy birthday, Daddy. Enjoy your gift.
Gift for us.
Gift for family.
Family.
Yes.
Umuy-mulo ka rin, love.
Maliit yan.
Family?
At least naka-reserve.
Family?
Okay, it's for family. You can try it too.
The family.
Tignan mo lang kung kasing ganda ba to ng Sony ko.
Hindi. Sony pa rin number 1.
Kung yung Sony ko eh, ano, tanis pala yun.
Ito yung gusto ko makita. Pang-gaming ba talaga? Yun, sakto lang.
Sarado mo lang pinto dito ah. Ano?
Sakto lang. Tanggalin mo lang.
Mouse. This is the mouse. Okay, nalagay ko sa taas.
Ira,
Yes.
Nobody will play here, ah. That's
can you
Mama's
take this
baunan.
one?
Mama here. Daddy dangerous.
Very good. Give it to Mama. I will take it.
May light talaga siya.
Give it to Mama. Take. That's dangerous. It's not for kids. Give me, please. The other one. Give me the other nails.
Uy, ang ganda niya.
Nail.
Mama, saan ka na?
Another nail.
Dito ka lang magawa ka ng WhatsApp.
Dito na ako.
Here's a nail.
Stiga.
This. Uy, ang ganda ng wire niya, labo. Parang tela. Ano ko na.
Kailangan bantay mo itong monitor para kay Ethan, hindi ano.
Pang counter.
Malamang, pang gaming to lahat ang pinili mo.
Boom. Saglit lang, mama, magsasaing ba? Magsasaing pa ba ako? Ito tayo kumain.
Ba't tayong kumain ka dyan? Baka isang tulak na ito, tapos tulak na.
Pa-close niya ako ng ilaw, mama. Sarap dito. Sakto lang gaming.
Ano mo to, love? Childhood, ano?
Childhood, ano ko ta?
Childhood dream?
Talagang naano siya.
Nagtupad sa hindi oras. Maganda pala talaga hindi magplano ng ano. Intagal mo na itong plano, di ba? Diba?
Shoutout
Sabi ko
sa
sa'yo.
mga kapatid ko. Pag nagpaplano ako, bigla kayo nanghihingi.
Di ba? So, walang plano. Ayan.
Yeah. Don't make again.
Huwag mo, pang-fix kasi yan. Huwag mo munang i-fix.
Mama here.
Give me the nail.
Knuckle down.
Oh, very good, ate. Give me all the nails, please. Give me all the nails. Because it's dangerous.
Here, Mama.
Thank you. Come on, you find all the nails.
Mama, put the nails.
Oh, give me very
Here's
good.
the nail. I put the nails. Wait, I put the nails. Where's the nail?
Saan pa yung nakasave, love?
Dad! Mama!
Ito?
Hindi.
Saan yung next? Ito?
Oh. Copy mo lang. Buong ano, buong link. Di.
Da.
Ganyan dapat.
Da.
Social kayo mag-study ha. Pa-online-online na lang.
Da. Darat.
What's that? Photo.
Oh.
Setup done. Sino ka dyan? Besh. Facebook ko yan ah.
Wala, hindi ko ma-open yung Facebook.
Nasaan yung mga? Tignan mo desktop. Tignan mo desktop. Nasaan ngayon yung mga ano mo? Dinilit ko na lahat.
Saan mo
Laro
nilagay?
mo. Dinilit ko na.
LGG. Saan ilagay?
Dinilit ko na nga.
Hindi mo pwede i-delete yung agent.
Ah. Close mo. Close mo. Diyan, nandun sa gilid oh.
Ito? Gaming time. Pangit naman ang pangalan.
Palitan mo eh.
Pakisave nga tong stream ko lang. Sulat mo.
Sulat mo. Pati sabay, ginako mong sekretary. Oh, happy?
Of course.
Have fun. You have 1 hour. Pag mag-extend, may bayad. At natapos din ang kanyang setup and all.
Hindi pa tapos to ha.
Ano pang gagawin mo?
Gaganda.
No.